Hey guys, so I just want to show you my certification and qualification today, not for bragging or to show my pride, but to be transparent with you guys so that you know that I'm speaking from a real learning and experience. You can also check my Instagram profile to see my past project, my learning, and also my self story about when I was studying this digital marketing and the web design. So let's get started. So as you can see on my screen right now, the first certificate I got was a digital marketing certificate. And see, this is to certify that Joseph Yakubu has achieved the full award on level 3 in digital marketing. And see, it was in November 23, 2025. That was last year. So the second certificate I got after digital marketing was a web design certificate. This web design training covered the basic of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. After completing digital marketing, I decided to continue learning web design because I wanted to understand how to build both and promote things online. I also have a pending certificate in basic computing, which include Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and also software installation. And let me show you the web design certificate so that you know that I'm speaking from experience, real. I'm not faking anything. So this is my digital web design certificate awarded in January 10, 2026, as you can see, and this one was in November 23, 2025. That was last year and this year. So I got two certificates within 1, 2, 3, 4, about 3 to 4 months. So why did I even study this certificate? Why did I collect this certificate? And why did I choose this skill? Digital marketing and web design work perfectly together. With web design, you can build products, website or system. With digital marketing, you can promote and sell what you have built. You use your digital marketing skill to sell your services or what you build with web design skills. That combination is what I plan to use to help businesses and creators grow online. So if this video helped you, make sure you hit that subscribe button, support me. I do love you guys. Peace.